Assalamu alaikum. Solo Engineering Company is a well-known company and is highly referenced by various manufacturers of motorcycle parts as they continue to set the benchmark in the industry. Our mission is to give back the power of the purchase to the consumer by providing affordable and superior pricing of products. To exceed our customers' expectations in quality, delivery, and cost through continuous improvement and customer interaction. Solo Engineering Company is committed to its customers so that they are informed on the best way forward with their purchase. Most of our consumers prefer the unique, personalized product buying journey that Solo Engineering Company delivers. Ethics in the sales services industry has always been and will always be the foundation of the success or failure of manufacturing and sales provider businesses. Among our clients, we have provided and continue to provide services, but not limited to the following dealers and suppliers: Punjab, Sindh, KPK, Balochistan, Kashmir, and abroad. Please feel free to contact us. Take care. Allah Hafiz.